My name is Niyamoda. In this video, I want to show you how to retouch and do color grade in Lightroom mobile. Open Lightroom. Okay, Lightroom is opened. Alright, so right here, all you have all photos. Import the photo that you want to use, you want to work on. So I'm going to go to this is not the photo I want to work on, so let me go and get it again. This is the original photo, so I'm going to download it again. Right, then I'll go to Lightroom, I'll click plus, and then I'll allow the video picture to be added. So you will see the number will change to 45. Yeah, click on the photo you want to edit. This is it right here. So I'm just going to do a little retouching. I'll go to details, I'll increase the sharpness to, let's say, 85. Okay, all right, 85. Then let's go to noise reduction. Let's increase it here, 54. Okay, look at the before, look at it after. All right, okay, so let's go to effects. I'm going to increase clarity to 52. Are you seeing the before? This is the after. All right, I'm going to go over to colors. All right, in colors we have temperature, tint, saturation, and the rest. But let's go to color grading. All right, so let me reduce the image so that we'll see what we're doing. So the first color I'm going to choose here is this blue here. Okay, that's the blue. If you click here, not there, if you click here, you'll be able to see everything here. So I've choose blue. You can choose any color of your choice. So I want this color here, right? Okay, so you can blend it, reduce it. All right, so swipe here and take, let's try this. All right, okay, all right, so see what I'm choosing here. Okay, then we'll come to this one here. We can pick, let's say, let's try this. Okay, then for this, all right, so now that that is done, this is the before, this is the after. This is the before, and this is the after. All right, so when you are done, you want to go back and edit it. So I'm going to increase the clarity, reduce noise. All right, okay, so that's how you retouch your images in Lightroom. So this is it, and this is it. What's your take on this? My name is Niyamoda, and I'll see you in another tutorial. To save your photo, just click on this and you click on save to device, and then you're good to go right here. That's how you save to your device. This is before and this is after.